Are you hungry and craving a good sandwich? What's one of the easiest sandwiches to make at home? An egg salad sandwich. Chances are pretty high that you all have some eggs in the fridge right now. So here's how to make a good egg salad sandwich. For this recipe, you will need 5 hard-boiled eggs. Now, usually when I boil my eggs, I like to add them to a saucepan, eggs first, and then the water, just enough water to cover the eggs completely. Bring this to a rolling boil, and once it's come to a boil, switch off the heat, cover the saucepan, and leave this for around 14 to 15 minutes. Afterwards, you're going to drain the water and then shake the saucepan lightly so that you crack the eggs just a bit. We're going to cover this with cold water and set it aside for a while, and this makes it really easy to peel. And boiling eggs in this way ensures that you don't get that gray colored coating around your egg yolk. So I have chopped up the boiled eggs and set that aside. Now to a bowl, I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise. Of course, you can reduce or increase the mayonnaise according to your taste. Everyone has their own personal preference in this matter. I usually use Best Foods or Hellmann's real mayonnaise. I have found Duke's and Heinz mayonnaise to be good options as well. To the bowl, we're also going to add half a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Now, if you don't have Dijon, you can substitute this with mild American mustard. I prefer Dijon in this recipe. And we're going to add a 1/4 teaspoon of freshly cracked black pepper. We can always add more pepper later. I'm also adding a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Our next ingredient is half a teaspoon of finely minced shallots, or you can also use sweet onion. Add this to the bowl as well, and next we're going to add some fresh herbs. Now my favorite for this sandwich is some chopped fresh dill, 1 to 2 teaspoons worth. I often add more than that. And this is optional, you can add some more additional herbs. This is just to make it more flavorful. I like to add half a teaspoon of fresh tarragon. Like I said, if you don't have this, just omit this ingredient. The next ingredient I'm adding is a 1/4 teaspoon of paprika. This combination makes a really delicious egg salad sandwich. I hope you will try this. Now we're going to mix this really well till all the ingredients are incorporated thoroughly into the mayo and it looks nice and creamy. And then we're going to add our chopped egg. Now take your time and mix this till it's really well mixed and mayo is completely mixed through. It looks nice and creamy and perfect for a salad. Now take a spoonful of that and wrap it in some lettuce right now. It tastes so good. So once we've mixed it through, you can taste this and adjust the seasonings to your preference. I almost always add some more pepper. And here I decided to add some more dill because I love it so much, as well as some more paprika. Now this is how I love my egg salad, and it's pretty popular with everyone that's tasted it. But if you like some crunch, you can add some chopped celery. Other optional ingredients that you might like to try are a tiny bit of curry powder or a lemon zest. If you like it sweeter, you can add some chopped apple, and you can also add some chopped nuts like walnuts. And of course, what would our egg salad sandwich be without some nice fresh lettuce? I'm using iceberg lettuce here, fresh and crunchy. Make sure you rinse and drain the lettuce well. You don't want it to be moist when you're adding it to your sandwich. Using a salad spinner is a good idea. Now we're using 8 slices of toasted bread for this recipe. If you don't like toasted bread, you can use plain bread, that's fine, and any kind of bread you like. I'm using wholemeal bread here that's been toasted. Add a good amount of filling for each sandwich. And add some more freshly cracked black pepper. You can never go wrong with a little bit more pepper. And add plenty of shredded lettuce and cut the sandwich in half and serve immediately. This sandwich makes a great, fulfilling snack for any time of the day. We hope you try the recipe, and please let us know in the comment section what you like to add to your egg salad sandwich. Thanks for watching.